Okay, we start with the DX80, and it's just set to a test servo receiver. And here is the servo receiver. I've got a 6-volt battery pack plugged into it. I've got one servo off for the rudder just to be sure that we're getting normal communication. And then we have the gear servo plug to the sequencer, and the sequencer has a main gear and a servo for the gear door. I'll turn on, let it settle for a minute, and then test to be sure that the rudder servo is responding. And when I turned it on, the gear should be down. And now I'm flipping the gear switch up. The gear door works, and you see what happened to the gear, the main. Push it down, and it goes like that. Push it up, and it goes like that. Push it down, and it goes like that. Push it up, and it goes like that. One last sequence down to turn the system off. Hopefully that'll help you with your diagnostics.